Hello everyone, I am Abhishek, and in this video we will learn the higher order derivative and we'll be able to solve some questions. Now we know that if y equals to fx is a function, then dy dx is the derivative of y with respect to x, and we denote dy dx by f dash x. Now since f dash x is a function of x, then dy dx can be differentiated again with respect to x. Now if f dash x is a differentiable function, then we can differentiate dy dx with respect to x, which is also denoted by d2y by dx square. Then the function we get after differentiation is denoted by f double dash x. Now again, if this function is differentiable, then we can differentiate d2y dx square again with respect to x. Hence we can write d dx of d2y dx square equals to d3y by dx cube, and the function we get after the differentiation is denoted by f triple dash x. Now we call dy dx as the first order derivative of y with respect to x, d2y dx square as second order derivative of y with respect to x, and d3y dx cube is known as third order derivative of y with respect to x. And similarly, this is known as the fourth order derivative of y with respect to x, where we denote the function as f Roman 4 of x, and this is called the nth order derivative of y with respect to x, and the function is denoted by fnx. We can also denote the derivatives in this way also. Now let us see this example. So here it is given that if x equals to tan of 1 by a log y, then prove that 1 plus x square into d2y dx square plus 2x minus a dy dx will be equals to 0. We have to remember that the base of log is always e if it is not mentioned. Now let's see the solution. So here given is x equals to tan of 1 by a log y. So here x is given in terms of y. Now I will try to write y in terms of x. So we can write tan inverse of x equals to 1 by a log y, taking tan inverse in both the sides. Now multiplied a both the sides. Now I will differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Then we get this, where differentiation of a tan inverse x is a by 1 plus x square, and differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy dx. Hence, after the cross multiplication of y and 1 plus x square, we get this, that is 1 plus x square whole into dy dx equals to ay. Now we will again differentiate this relation with respect to x. Now for that I am going to use the product rule in the left hand side, which is differentiation of the first function into the second function plus first function into the differentiation of the second function equals to the differentiation of ay. Thus I have completed the differentiation. Now I will rearrange the terms to get the statement to prove. Thus after taking this term in the left hand side and by taking common dy dx from these two terms, we can write this, and which is the resulting statement.